Now, what can you do if your notes disappeared from your iPhone? Let's explain that and let's get into it. So you might be browsing your notes and you notice that you cannot really find them. So at first, I would recommend you to browse the folders because there might be an iCloud and local folder, and these are separate. So whenever you are browsing your notes like this, just tap on the folders icon in the top left corner, where you're going to be able to jump between the iCloud, local, and even shared and math notes. So you can jump back and forth, and it does make a difference because I can see I have a different amount of notes stored locally, and they are completely different things compared to the iCloud stored. So this causes a lot of confusion with people in my experience. So I've just seen it happen over and over again. So it's like a thing I can count on that people kind of, confuse a little bit. So that's how it works. And also outside of that, you can check out and see the recently deleted folders as well. So if you download something, if you delete something, you can see that in these like folders section, the recently deleted will be shown here as well, right? So you can just tap on it and perhaps retrieve it back or delete it completely. So that might be useful as well. However, if you don't have the iCloud synchronization enabled, I would recommend you to check out the iCloud web, like use Safari and go to iCloud.com. And there, just sign in with the very same Apple account. And in there, just go through the things right there and tap on the notes. And in there, you're going to be able to browse the iCloud specific notes. So perhaps you don't have them saved on your phone or something, but here are the iCloud notes from like a different platform or accessed differently. So these are the things which you can do. Also, one last thing, if your Notes app disappeared completely, well, in that case, you can always just bring it back and then download it again from the App Store. You just open it up and just look up the Notes icon. It's just as simple as that. So yeah, that might be an issue as well for some people, so I just had to mention it. And yeah, we're going to wrap up the video right now. Thanks a lot for watching and sticking till the end. Most definitely subscribe for more guides and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future.